Guys, let's know comments. In JavaScript, we have two types of comments, single line comments and multi-line comments. Comments are ignored by compiler. For example, I wanna change this into comment. This backward slash, double backward slash, used for single line comments, and if I see the result, that's part of my code ignored by compiler, like this. And if I change this comment here, this part of my code ignored by compiler. Look, nothing will be appear like prompt. And let's know the multiple line comments in JavaScript. Multiple line comments, write it like this: backward, after that a star, and at the end of your code, you can write a star and backward. After that, save, and nothing will be appear because this is multiple line comment.